Welcome to my channel! Learn with Teacher Ali!
Science, Grade 3, Quarter 2, Week 1, Day 1. Our topic is about science in our daily life. Objective. At the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to describe various objects like leaves in the environment using shape, color, and texture. Here is our activity number 1. This is called jumbled letters. Unscramble the letters and say what each word means. The answer is observe. The answer is color. The answer is texture. And the answer is shape. Today, we will describe the leaves we see around us. You'll explore their shape, color, and how they feel. Now, look at the object I am holding. I will say the word and then you repeat after me. This is the color green. Say green. This feels rough. Say rough. Now, let's show the shapes using our hands and bodies. Make a circle with your arms to show round. And then make a heart shape using your hands for heart shape. Stretch your hands like an egg shape for oval. Now touch the objects I prepared for you. Tell me how it feels. Is it smooth, bumpy, or rough? This paper is smooth. This sponge is bumpy. Now, let us look around the room. Find something that is red, green, or yellow. When you find one, point to it and say the color. I see a red book. My bag is yellow. Now let's read together. We can describe leaves by their color, shape, and texture. Now let's have a group activity. Each group gets a bag with assorted leaves. Here are the directions. Observe each leaf shapes, color, and texture. Record your observations in a simple table. And then share your findings with the class. Now for the activity number 4, which is the riddle me a leaf. The instruction here is listen carefully to each riddle. Guess the leaf being described based on the clues. I am red and heart-shaped. I feel smooth. What am I? The answer is red gumamela leaf. I am long and green. My edges are rough and I feel bumpy. What am I? The answer is corn leaf. I am small and oval. I am dark green and very smooth. What am I? Calamansi leaf. I have jagged edges and a rough texture. I'm shaped like a star. What am I? The answer is star apple or the kaimito leaf. I am big and round with veins you can feel. I feel soft to touch. What am I? The answer is taro or gabi leaf. Remember that leaves have different shapes, colors, and textures. We use our senses to observe them. Now, students, read each item carefully and select the letter that corresponds to the correct answer. Number 1, what sense do we use to know if a leaf is rough? A. Taste, B. Sight, C. Touch, D. Smell. The answer is touch. Number 2, A round green smooth object is most likely A. A stone, B. A leaf, C. A stick, or D. A piece of chalk. The answer is B. A leaf. Number 3. What does textures mean? A. The smell of something, B. The size of something, C. How something feels when touched, or D. The color of something. The answer is C. How something feels when touched. Number 4. Which leaf is heart-shaped? A. The long and thin one, B. The one shaped like a triangle, C. The one with a wide top and pointed bottom, or D. The one with sharp edges. The answer is C. The one with a wide top and pointed bottom. Number 5. If a leaf is green, rough, and oval shaped, what are we describing? A. Its age, B. Its parts, C. Its color, texture, and shape, or D. Its location. The answer is C. Its color, texture, and shape. Day 2. Our objective is, at the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to compare and estimate the size and weight or the heaviness of objects using observations from sight and touch. For our activity number 1, which is the show and tell, given the objects coin and bag, which is bigger? And which one looks heavier? Today, we'll compare how big or heavy things are using our eyes and hands. Now, hold up a basketball and a tennis ball. Which one is bigger? That's right. The basketball is bigger. Now, place a book and a feather on the table. Which one is heavier? Good job, everyone! The book is heavier. Show 2 crayons, one long and one short. Which one is smaller? That's right. The short crayon is smaller. Now let us weigh a banana and an apple using a simple balance scale. Which one is lighter? The banana is lighter. That's right. Now, use 2 cups with the same amount of water. Are they equal? Good job! Yes, they are equal. We can compare how big or heavy objects are using our senses. Get ready! Class, in your group, you will receive 5 different objects from our classroom. Your task is to observe, touch, and compare these items using your senses of sight and touch. Here are the directions for students. Number 1, look closely at each object and feel them carefully. Number 2, talk with your group and describe each item based on size, weight, texture, shape, and color. Number 3, use comparison words like bigger, smaller, heavier, or lighter when describing. Number 4, sort or group the objects based on their similarities and differences. And number 5, be ready to share what you discovered with the class. Now, I will call an object. Students must quickly find something either similar or different in size or weight and explain their answer. For example, pencil case. Find something heavier, or the possible answer is a book. So the book is heavier than the pencil case. Eraser. Find something smaller, which is the paper clip. The paper clip is smaller than the eraser. A school bag. Find something lighter. A ruler. The ruler is lighter than the school bag. Notebook. Find something of the same size. That's right, another notebook. This notebook is the same size. Plastic bottle. Now find something heavier and harder. That's right, a wooden block. The wooden block is heavier and harder than the bottle. Good job, everyone! We can use our sight and touch to tell which object is bigger or heavier. Now, students, read each item carefully and select the letter that corresponds to the correct answer. Day 3. Our objective is, at the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to describe objects based on their color, shape, and texture. Now for our activity number 1, which is the texture hunt, go around the classroom and touch each item listed. And then number 2, describe the texture using words like smooth, rough, soft, bumpy, and hard. And number 3, write your answers or share them aloud. We will describe things using their color, shape, and how they feel. Now let's do our activity number 2. Look around the classroom and find an object that matches the description I will give. 2. It may be based on color, shape, or texture. For example, find something rough. Find something red and round. Good job, everyone! Now for our activity number 3, which is gallery workstations and objects, the instruction for students are: number 1, rotate from one station to another. Number 2, gently touch the objects. Number 3, write or say how they feel, like the texture, look, or the color and the shape, and whether they are soft or hard. For our station number 1, which is the nature station, station number 2, which is the school tools station. For our station number 3, which is the art supplies station. And then for station number 4, fabric station. And for our station number 5 is the kitchen items station. The station number 6 is toy station. Remember that we describe objects by color, shape, and texture. Now, students, read each item carefully and select the letter that corresponds to the correct answer. Day 4. Our objective is, at the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to describe objects based on their color, shape, texture, and hardness. For activity number 1, the teacher described an object using 3 qualities. Learners will guess the missing 4th quality. The object is red, round, and smooth. What quality is missing? The answer is hardness. Example is hard like an apple. This object is green, bumpy, and heavy. What's missing? That's right. The answer is shape. Example is oval like a watermelon. This object is heart-shaped, rough, and green. What quality is missing? The answer is texture. This object is soft, flat, and brown. What's the missing quality? That's right. The answer is shape. Example, leaf shape. This object is smooth, light, and square. What's the missing quality? The answer is color. Example, yellow like a sticky note. Today, we'll add one more way to describe by how hard or soft something is. For our activity number 2, number 1, look around the classroom and find objects that match the word I will say. When I say hard, touch something that feels hard. When I say soft, find something soft and gently touch it. When I say flat, point to or touch something that has a flat surface. When I say curve, find an object that has a curve or round shape. After each word, be ready to show and tell your object to the class. We will take turns sharing what we found and describe it using the right word. Now, look with your hands, not with your eyes. One by one, reach into the mystery bag without peeking. Use your sense of touch to feel the object inside. And then describe it to your group using words like hard, soft, rough, smooth, bumpy, light, heavy, round, square, and etc. Then make a guess. What do you think the object is? And listen to your classmates' guesses too. After everyone has tried, the teacher will reveal the object. For our activity number 4, which is the sorting game, hard or soft, here are the directions for learners. Number 1, look at the objects or pictures provided. Your task is to sort them into 2 groups, the hard objects and the soft objects. Number 2, work with your partner or group to decide which group each item belongs to. Number 3, place the object or picture under the correct label. Then number 4, be ready to explain your choices. Remember that we can describe objects better by observing their color, shape, texture, and hardness. Now, students, read each item carefully and select the letter that corresponds to the correct answer. Thank you for listening. End of week 1.
Thank you for watching. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for you to be updated on our latest videos. See you on our next lesson. Goodbye!